Are you tired of your downloads hogging all your bandwidth and slowing down everything else you're trying to do online? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to take control of your internet speed by limiting download speeds in Google Chrome. So without wasting any time, let's get going. First of all, open the Chrome browser on your computer. Then click on the three dot icon from the upper right corner of the screen. Next, hover over More Tools and click on the Developer Tools from here. After that, click on the gear icon from here to bring up the developer settings. Now click on Throttling from the left side menu. Then hit that Add Custom Profile button. After that, enter the profile name. Then click on the box under Download and enter the speed you want to throttle your speed at. Keep in mind that the speed is counted as kilobit and not kilobyte. Now click on the box under the Upload and enter the speed you want to throttle the speed at. Once you are done, hit that Add button. And you are done. From now on, your download speed will be limited to the one that you set here. So guys, that's how you limit the download speed in Chrome on your computer. If the video did the trick for you, smash that like button. Want more Chrome related tips and tricks? Subscribe to the channel because I've got tons more coming. As always, thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!